Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Doogee S86 Pro smartphone, and let me show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, swipe down for the notification and control center to appear. Here look for the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it in order for you to be forwarded at the available Wi-Fi networks menu. Here choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case it's going to be this HardReset.Info 5G network. Tap on this gear icon. Next, all that is left to do basically is to tap on this share button. And as you will see right below this generated QR code, we have the Wi-Fi password. And for this network, it's going to be the hard reset. And there is also the second way to be directly connected to the network. All you gotta do for that is to take the device that you wanted to share the Wi-Fi password with. In my case, let it be this Nokia Android device, and scan this QR code. So I'll use the built-in Google Lens. So open the Google Lens, frame the QR code, wait until the phone will recognize it, tap on it. Next you'll see that this join network button appears, tap on this button as well. And we will see right now that our Nokia phone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Great success. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!